You know what my favorite thing about Thursday is?
Bye, brother. Eat some food. Drink some water.
You see, on this channel, Thursday's a free day. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, we do car content. I show you new cars. But on Tuesdays and Thursdays, it's free-for-all. So I'm taking you with me today. Free-for-all, right? Free-for-all vlog. So here's what's happening today. I'm going into work late. I'm taking some time this morning to go spend some time with my daughter. We're gonna surprise her at the pumpkin patch with the school. I'm gonna vlog it. We're gonna change clothes in the car. We're gonna go to work, and then we're gonna come back here tonight for trick-or-treat. Is that a lot? Does that sound like a lot? Yeah, that's a lot. But we're gonna get it done together. Let's go. It's gonna be so much fun. This is gonna be such a fun vlog today, you guys. I'm really excited. I can't wait. Check this out, you guys. I got a 110 power outlet in my truck, so we're gonna charge the battery to the Canon right now. That right there, that's what it's all about. The last 4, almost 5 years, anytime that there was a situation like that, I always chose work over family. And in my head, I thought, I was like, I'm helping out my family because I'm at work right now. But in reality, like, we need to go to those kind of things. We need to go to those because that little girl right now, she is jacked, she is pumped. I hope maybe a little bit of this maybe rubs off onto you and you make the right decision, because I haven't been doing that myself. I've been choosing work over everything. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run in here for a couple hours. I'm gonna try to sell a couple cars, and then meet the girls back at the house for trick-or-treating tonight. Thank you so much for following along.